Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Richa and I am here with a brand new tutorial on candle making once again. And guys, today we are going to make very interesting candles, and those are the mocktail candles, or you can also call them as drink candles. And we are going to make these very colorful candles using gel wax. Guys, this is my candle making video number 21. If you haven't watched my earlier videos on candle making, on how to do candle business, tips and tricks on packaging and shipping of candles, so guys, do watch all those videos because they are really informative videos and you'll get to learn lot many things regarding candles in all those videos. So guys, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. So guys, let's check out what all we need for making this beautiful mocktail candles. Main and major ingredient is gel wax, then candle color, fragrance oil, some wax chunks, dye colors, umbrellas for decoration, some glitters for decoration, wick, scissor, and some beautiful glasses. I have taken this unique ice cream glasses for making my candles. You can use any glasses available at your home of your choice. So let's start with the video. So guys, to begin with, I have already fixed the wick in one of the glass, and I have separated the gel wax in 3 different glasses. The first candle which I am going to make is a galaxy squash, and I am going to use pink, blue and purple color. So that's the reason I have separated the gel wax in 3 different glasses. You can see I'm just taking a pinch of powdered pink color and I'm mixing in one of the glass. This is a bright pink which I have taken. Dissolve it completely in the wax so that no lumps are remaining. Now I'll take blue color. Just a pinch of blue color, and I'm mixing it. You can see a beautiful blue shade. And the third is purple. It looks like black, but you'll see when I will mix it in the wax. You can see the beautiful purple color. See how beautiful color is there. Now we have to pour these colors one by one into our glass container. At first, pink. Now I have taken these wax chunks of blue, purple and black color. I am adding some chunks of purple and blue so that it gives me that effect of galaxy in my galaxy squash. I have seen this idea, this mocktail, on Pinterest, and this mocktail inspired me so much that I thought, why not make a candle using a similar drink. I hope it turns out well. I have also put a stone, purple stone, to give the effect. I'm putting some black chunks as well. Now once this sets a bit, only then you have to pour in the second layer, and you don't have to do it layer by layer. The colors should get mixed properly. Only then it will look like a proper drink. So I don't mind even if the pink and blue and purple mixes a bit. This is the blue which I am pouring in. You can see how beautifully it has turned up. Now some pink again. And some purple. Next we are going to make ice with the help of this gel wax. I am just cutting the gel wax with the help of scissor into small pieces so that I get tiny gel wax pieces which I can use it as ice. It's very gluey and that's the reason it's very easy to cut the gel wax. I think this will be enough. Now take our candle. I have added these tiny star glitters just to give the galaxy effect. And I'm just putting this tiny ice wax into the candle. Once your candle is completely cooled, then this will automatically set the tiny pieces. Now let this set completely and we'll proceed towards the second candle. Now we are making our second mocktail, which is orange blossom. So for that I have taken orange and yellow color. I'll just add a pinch of yellow to one of my glass. Guys, over here I would request you not to use crayons because crayons doesn't work well with gel wax at all, and even for paraffin or soy wax, if you are using crayons, they are not that great to work with because they block the wick. So it's always better to use good quality candle colors. If in case you are not having any particular shade which you are looking for, in that case you can use crayon, but only in that case. Now I'll use my orange fragrance. Guys, the last candle which we are making is Green Apple Delight. For that I am adding this fluorescent green color to my gel wax, melted gel wax. Guys, if you all want me to make any particular candle or any video related to candle making or decoupage, then do let me know in the comment section. I'll be really happy to make the video for you all. And also do let me know amongst these three which one is your favorite. Now add green apple fragrance to this. Some 5 to 6 drops. It's smelling like a real mocktail. Now fix the wick and pour the wax. So guys, my 3 mocktail candles are ready, and you can see they are looking like real drink candles, and they are good enough to drink, but don't drink them because they are made of gel wax. I hope you liked today's video, and for more such creative videos and candle making videos, keep watching Enchanting Lights, and I'll be back soon with yet another interesting video. So thank you for watching the video, and bye bye.